So I am routing it out now, and I've stepped up with these 3 bits. The final one, none of them's long enough to do the whole thing. And I've found out if you don't do a little at a time on the end grain on each end, it grab it, and I've had it throw a body completely out of my hands, and it's dangerous. So I've stepped it up. I've got a little lip to take out, and I'll show you that now. I've stepped it up. I've cut out this much using this template. So the rest of it I'm going to take out with this bit here, and hopefully I don't get a tear out or something using it. So real quick, I'm just gonna do maybe a little bit on camera, if I can keep the camera out of my way while I do this, and give it a whirl. So there it is. There's a shape. So next I'll be routing this part out. I'll be putting the template on this side to route all the cavities out in the neck pocket. Some edging and stuff like that. And have a guitar body. I do have a spot right there where the bit grabbed. If you can see that, I'll take that out with the sander, and it shouldn't be any problem. So saved the screw up, and hopefully unless I screw up again, I'll have them get the car body here. Okay, now that I got the one side routed, I got to take this template and put it on the other side. And I use a carpet tape for this. And I'm always worried about it slipping. So I put it on here like this, but I can't center it because this has got to be routed out, and this is going to be stuck to it when it does. And I have had where it'll shift. It'd be nice if I could put screws in it, but I don't want to put screws in this brand new template I made. So that's what I'm going to do, and it seemed like when I test fitted it, this is the hard part right now, is getting it down on there where it belongs without it sticking, because this stuff is really sticky. Once you get it stuck down, it is very hard to get off. So I'm going to try to just lay it on there a little bit and use the edges, feel the edge with my fingers as it goes down, because it seems to fit on there just center line lines up right here and everything when it's right. And I think that feels pretty good, really. I think that'll work. My center line looks like it's right there. This is a plug here. This will all be routed out the same depth, but this part's got to be a lot deeper. So I'm going to do the deep and work my way up. This and this, and then these will be different.